Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it. We can see that Bitcoin right now on 30-minute time frame getting a manipulation X on the 19th, so quite bearish at the moment. As we can see, Bitcoin back down to 36,000 now, 575. And we can see on the 4-hour time frame looking quite bearish as well, and we got a bunch of manipulation X's there too. So things are not looking too great for Bitcoin. Daily time frame again looking quite bearish as well, but looking like we're slowing down a little bit. But once again, we can see that the money flow is the money flow is increasing into the red, and the momentum waves are expanding towards the downside. So looking like we still have a lot of more bleeding to come. Weekly time frame looking pretty bad as well now, with a red dot and a -3. We were looking a little bit bullish, the weeks before, with that rally all the way up to 46,000, but now things have taken a turn and we got to trade with the trend. The trend is probably going to be towards the downside. As we can see, the weekly time frame money flow has decreased significantly, almost into the red now. And once the weekly gets into the red, things can turn pretty ugly pretty quickly. As we can see right here, back when the money flow turned red back in 2018, we had that big drop, which was I believe from 6,000 all the way to 3,000, which is a big 50% drop right there. But you never know what could happen. Maybe we're gonna get a rally. Significantly, the chances have been reduced significantly for that rally now. I think the rally was to 46,000, like I said before, and now we might have to deal with what's coming. And what's coming could be potentially could be a big market correction. And right now, Bitcoin, we have this major trend line on the TA1 chart, and right here we got multiple touch points from the beginning right here of 69,000 all the way down here. So if we do take a dip all the way down, it's possible we get a bounce off 31,000. Who knows? Just pay attention to this trend line. If you guys have access to the Discord and the Google Sheet, the gold members do, you guys can take a look. We might get a bounce from these levels, so definitely take that into account if we do get a big drop coming. As we can see, the Russian situation is getting pretty bad. The overnight markets are starting to sell off. We can see that I should be going on this chart. Clicking on my charts. We can see that right now the green support box is trying to hold as support. But if the Russian situation deteriorates and they start invading Ukraine, then you're gonna see a big drop in the markets and a big spike in oil, big rise in gold, and a big drop in the Nasdaq and Bitcoin as well. So Bitcoin is going to drop significantly if you see Russians invade Ukraine. And let's take a look at the TA2 chart. Let's make this one nice. Let's keep everything organized. Go back to the TA1 chart. There we go. All right, we can get a potentially short-term bounce for Bitcoin right now as we approach 36,100, but I would not bet on it. Just be careful, guys. If you make some longs, have your stop loss set. As we could see, we did get that bounce the other day from 39,000 all the way to 40,400, and after that we had a big drop, right? And also, let's take a look at Gala. This chart seems to be very nice. When we got that rejection right here, this was a potential short, and I called it out for you guys. So this was nice to see. And then we reversed back up here. We didn't hold this as support for too long. I did say potential long, but not strong support. So it's a risky trade. So you guys could have made a quick buck right here, longing. You could have made a quick 4% with leverage, so that's nice. But now that we've broken that, we've retested the support as resistance, confirming the rejection. Now that's a big point right there to short, and you guys could have shorted. You would be in profit of 21% without leverage. With leverage, you guys are making some big money, but definitely always pay attention to the charts at the update. And yeah, all in all, you guys should be doing very well. Now my next big trade that is coming is going to be probably, I'm not going to say which direction it's going to be, but I'm going to be making it on Delta. So we'll just take a look at that quickly. As we can see, Delta Exchange right here, this is where I'm going to be putting my calls right now. I have a put option on Ethereum. I know a lot of people are not big on options, but it is a great way to make money. It's a great way to leverage up because you're not borrowing anything technically, so you guys can leverage up, right? So you won't get liquidated during massive volatility, right? Ups and downs, but your price will move significantly. So right now I have a put on Ethereum expiring January 24, right? 2022 is just a small put. I just decided to throw it in here, and then right now I'm in 19% profit right now, right? No leverage. But once you put your strike price, out of the money significantly, you are pushing the leverage significantly. So right now, I'm already 19% in profit, but this, we're not even in the money yet. We're still out of the money on this option, but I'm still making a good amount of money. So you can imagine how much I would be making if I was in the money before that expiration date. So if you guys want to see my put option trades, definitely join the Discord. Gold members are going to know when I'm going to be putting my big trade in for, for the Bitcoin price and Ethereum price. So always fund your account, guys. Get ready for that big move on Delta. And also, if you guys are in the US and you don't trade on Delta, you can definitely check out another exchange that I look at, which is BTCX. They accept US members, so Delta is for everyone, anyone in the world except for US citizens, unfortunately. So if you guys don't go there, you guys can go to BTCX and trade your options there as well. Links are in the description. Now let's get back to Bitcoin, because I still have a lot to say about Bitcoin. And right now, the facts are that things are not looking too good. And we could see Ethereum, once we got back up to 31.51, we did get rejection, and now we're starting to break this support. We did hold this as support for a little bit between 26.29 and 25.80. Obviously, putting your longs in at 25.80 would be a better move, but now we're starting to break that, right? And now we're getting a big wick up and a rejection towards the downside. Next support is going to be at 24.15, and after that, you're going to be at the bottom of the yellow box, which is 23.21. Now, if we break that, now you're going to be looking at 17.71 or 14.19. And if we break those supports, then you can expect a big drop, potentially maybe even 700 or lower. So honestly, guys, this all depends on what traditional markets are going to do and what's going to be happening there. So definitely look at the traditional markets and what's going to be going on over there. And we can see right now gold at resistance 1910. This was previous resistance right here in the past. We have some trading activity going on over here, so this is acting as a significant resistance. If we break this level, we could possibly go to 1958. So if you guys want to see my index stocks and my commodity stock trades as well, you can join the Discord as well. Anyways, in my opinion, things are not looking too great right now. I am long-term bullish on Bitcoin. I will always be long-term bullish as long as they keep printing money. But right now, in the short term, I think we may be coming for a big drop in March. I'm a little bit early. It's February 21st today. Obviously, it may be, I'm not going to be, I'm not, everything I say is not always correct. All right, I make mistakes too, but for the most part, I've been right. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support. We're at 8,100 subscribers. Once we get to 10,000, we're gonna do the giveaway that you guys love so much. Love you guys. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate the support and just want to let you guys know that I'm going to be investing some of my USDT into some yield strategies and robo strategies, and even you guys can even stake some into their Delta staking pool, but mostly I'm going to be investing into yield strategies and robo strategies on Delta Exchange. As you can see, they're giving significantly better returns than what the banks are giving you. They're giving you 0.01%, while these guys are giving you 17.2%. Enhanced yield USDT strategy. And you guys can take a look at their robo strategies, which give even better returns. As we can see, the top 20 momentum USDT strategies are giving over 65.2% like over time. So pretty good yields right there. Anyways, definitely check them out, guys. You can also earn DIDO tokens as well, which is Delta Exchange's crypto token. Thanks, guys. Peace.